Nina missed the lecture on screwdrives because she lives a bit out of town and there was so much snow that she couldn't get to university. Niels attended the lecture and helps Nina get up to speed. Niels begins. Screw drives are used when you want to convert a rotary motion into a longitudinal motion. The most common types of screw drives are ball screw drives and trapezoidal screw drives. Trapezoidal screws have been on the market for much longer and are known for their self-locking properties. Today, however, they are used much less frequently than ball screws because they are more efficient and therefore have a lower energy consumption. There are also roller screws and planetary roller screws. As with linear guides, there are also calculation principles for screw drives, says Niels, but these are much more comprehensive. Ball screw drives are defined by the nominal diameter, the outer spindle diameter, the spindle core diameter, and the ball center-to-center diameter. Important for the calculation are the diameters mentioned above, the static load rating, the dynamic load rating, as well as operating speed and spindle length. The professor said that a number of things need to be taken into account when installing screw drives. Ball screw drives are only suitable for the transmission of axial forces. Ball screws are unsuitable for absorbing radial forces and tilting moments. These lead to failure of the ball screw after a very short time. The main source of error during assembly is that the assembly sleeves of ball screw nuts are removed too early. Niels explains, this can cause the ball to be lost or go into dead gear. 3 directions are taken into account in the assembly tolerance. Firstly, the perpendicularity of the adjacent construction to the spindle axis. Secondly, the height offset of the bearing points. And thirdly, the lateral offset of the bearing points. The assembly of ball screws is uncomplicated if you follow the assembly instructions. Do you have such assembly instructions? Asks Nina. Niels replies, we went through the assembly instructions on Linearwizard. You can find great articles on all topics relating to linear motion there. If you would like to find out more about the different linear systems, we recommend that you take a closer look at the articles on Linearwizard.